Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix. Continue watching. Watch the video till the end to learn how. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up your Netflix profile by clicking open a web browser, typing in netflix.com in the search box, and log in by entering your credentials. From the main homepage of Netflix after you're logged in, if you scroll a bit down, you'll be able to see the list of the movies or shows that is under Continue Watching. If you want to remove a certain content from the Continue Watching list, all you need to do is simply mouse over to the content and this will expand a little bit. Now from the options, click on this cross icon that says Remove from Row. In the pop-up, go ahead and select any one option while you are removing the content from your Continue Watching list, and that is how you'll be able to remove a movie or a TV show from the Continue Watching list. That is how you'll be able to fix Continue Watching on Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.